Today I'm coming to you with a really quick DIY. This is going to be a little glamorous DIY that will really help enhance your Christmas tree if you're going for the glam look. So you're going to need some picks that I picked up from Michael's, and also some rhinestones, hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks. So this is really just to add a little bit more bling or a little bit more glam to my Christmas tree. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how I do it. So this is how they look completed. As you can see, they have a lot of bling, they have a lot of shine, and I really like this, and this is what I wanted for my Christmas tree. Well, I'm just showing you quickly how I'm going to display them on my Christmas tree. I'm just going to go back and complete a few more, and I should have a Christmas tree tour out for you soon. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like what you saw. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great day.